Welcome to Homegrown in the Kitchen. Today we're going to go over a rainbow kabobs. We have grapes, tomatoes, pineapple, some local strawberries, and blueberries available. For green, it depends on if your children like green peppers, mine like cucumbers, and it's simple to do. You want big chunky pieces so it can go well on your skewer. And what you'll do with all of your produce is poke a small hole through them. Make sure you keep your fingers out of the way. And in the case of your strawberry, you'll want to take the end off. You can either twist it off or cut the end, making sure to curl your fingers. Then you poke a hole and you should have all that you need to make some simple rainbow kabobs. These go well inside of a quart-sized Ziploc bag, or you can put them into lunches. And there is your rainbow kabob. Find this recipe and many others at the website below.